I got all my wires out of my old wiring harness for the transmission. Now I gotta put these in there and then run the wires inside and hook them up to the transmission. All right, green and white goes in PCM 5. PCM 5's right there. This one goes into 52, which is the second one on this side. And this is for my shift solenoid, goes in 51. All right, I got my transmission wiring all tapped into the PCM. I'm gonna run this bad dog inside. We're gonna hook it up to the transmission wiring in here. All right, got my transmission wiring all done.